Okay. Today is Sunday, the 12th of June, 2022. Time is 6:49 a.m. And sitting in my chair, I was asleep, wide awake. I just finished reading the Bible. The man cut the food truck on, like I've been saying all this time. I believe that food truck has something to do with the vibration. We're sitting in the chair, I can feel the vibration of this house. That food truck is a part of the type. I can actually feel me vibrating to the sound of that food truck. I don't know. I think this house is connected to a lot of stuff. And I think that those guys, when they went over there and took that unit out from up under that house yesterday, they left something still connected to this house because I woke up this morning not feeling no air conditioning. I mean, it was hot. It was really hot in here. I could feel the heat to my brain. When I went to bed, I left the TV on and this computer on. It both was off. So somehow they controlling what goes on in this house. They controlling the air condition. It was off. I mean, it won't off, but it won't doing nothing because it was hot in here. Now it's feeling like it's supposed to feel. I could feel the coolness. When I woke up, I felt no coolness. It was hot in here, and I could feel the heat, intense heat to my brain. I want to walk over to the door. It'd be hard to hear that truck, but if you could get earphones, you can hear it really good. My daughter's outside, so I'm not going to have it pointed to outside. But I'm going to just open the door so you can hear because she acting some kind of way. Don't want to be seen. It's a little jungle. You can hear that food truck, and I can feel the vibration of it um, in this house. And this is a brick house. So how can that truck? And it's a distance. You have to go through another whole yard to get to the truck. I don't know if you can hear it or not. But with a headphones or earphones, you can hear it really good. I do believe that it's connected to something dealing with this house. Anytime they do a noise campaign, they doing it on purpose because sound have a wave to it, a sound wave. So I'm not even gonna try to sit in that chair where I normally sit at because I could feel the vibration. I was able to feel the vibration. So I am going to um close out. There's so much. I mean, it's sad that we have to go through so much with people, and I can hear it. I can hear the sound really good. Just sitting here, I don't understand how these people that live over that direction, how they able to deal with that every single morning. So I'm gonna close it. The time is 6:55.